Yes. Okay, now we are discussing about the indicators used in laboratory. So first we are discussing blue litmus and red litmus. So when we use blue litmus with acids, it turns into red. With bases, it shows no color change. When we consider red litmus, in an acid, it has no color change. රතු පාටින් වෙන color එකකට change වෙන්නේ නැහැ. But when it is in a base, red litmus, රතු litmus කැලක් base එකකට දැම්මොත්, බස්ම එකකට දැම්මොත්, it turns into blue color. Okay? After discussing, we are going to see the videos of each indicators. Okay. So is there any color change for neutral substances in litmus? පුතා ලිට්මස් වල acids and bases වලට නම් color change තියෙනවා. මේ neutral substance වලට color එකක් තිබුණද? Yes or no? No ne? Chenudi, Hinuri? No color change, no? For neutral substances. But in pH papers, ඊළඟට ඉන්නේ pH papers නේ. අන්න මේ දෙන්නම අපි discuss කළා. We finished discussing blue litmus and red litmus. Now we are discussing pH papers. pH papers වල there is a color for neutral substances too. Acids and bases වලට තියෙනවා, neutral substances වලට තියෙනවා. Yeah, have you seen pH papers at school lab? ඉස්කෝලේ lab එකේ pH papers දැකලා තියෙනවද පුතේ?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, these are the pH papers. මේ කහ පාට කඩදාසි පටි තමයි pH papers කියන්නේ. Okay? ඉස්කෝලේ ගිහලා lab එකෙන් අහන්න pH papers ගන්න කියලා. Okay? So pH papers මොන හරි acids base or neutral substance එකකට දැම්මොතින් it shows a color change. Color change එකක් පෙන්නනවා. Okay? From 1 to 6 තියෙන්නේ red, orange, yellow colors. Red, orange or yellow color එකක් පෙන්නනවා නම් we can say that it is an acid. Can you understand? Okay, මොන හරි නොදන්න
Yes, teacher.
substance එකකට දාලා red, orange or yellow ලැබුණොත් we can guess that it is a acidic substance. With neutral substances, pH papers give a green color. Okay, neutral substances එක දෙන්නේ green color එකක්. And with bases, with basic substances, pH papers give a blue color. Blue or purple. Okay, light blue, dark blue, purple color. Okay, so not like litmus, pH papers have a color range for acids, neutral substances and bases too. Okay, litmus lage pH lage තියෙන වෙනස ඒකයි. Litmus la they show only acids or bases, but here pH papers show colors for acids, neutral substances and bases, all three. Okay, now phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein කියන්නේ මොනවාද? Phenolphthalein is a powder in the lab. Lab එකේ තියෙන powder එකක් තමයි phenolphthalein කියන්නේ. We can use a solution. We can prepare a solution of phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein solution එකක් හදාගන්න පුළුවන් මේ වතුරේ දිය කරලා phenolphthalein powder. It's a colorless solution. Okay? Then we can add phenolphthalein to acids and bases. Let's see. With acids, does it have a color change? No. Acids එක color එකක් පුතේ මෙතන color එකක් නෑ නේද?
Yes, teacher. No.
Yeah. But with bases, there is a good pink color. Bases එක හොඳ pink color එකක් තියෙනවා. In even grade 11 වලදී පවා bases අඳුන ගන්න තැනක් තිබ්බොත් අපි ඉක්මනින්ම හොඳින්ම use කරන්නේ phenolphthalein because it gives a nice pink color. Okay, here can you see? Color with acids, colorless. Color with bases, pink. And the last one, methyl orange. Methyl orange කියන්නේ මොනවද? A kind of yellow powder, කහපාට කුඩු ජාතියක්. This powder is dissolved in water. The solution is yellow in color. Solution එක කහපාටයි. Yeah. With acids, it gives a red color. And with bases, it gives a yellow color. Okay. So now we are going to see a video for this. There is an animated one. Let's see it first. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා animated එක බලලිමු. Okay, children, can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's see it.
While it is possible to quantitatively measure the pH of a solution using a device known as a pH meter, there are also ways to determine pH qualitatively.
Yeah, actually, there are pH meters too. pH meter කියලා එකකුත් තියෙනවා. ඒකෙන් අපිට acidic, basic, neutral ඒක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් digital උපකරණ තියෙනවා. But before that, we use the other methods to see the acidity or basicity.
To determine pH qualitatively. In this lesson, we will learn about indicators, which help us indicate the pH of a solution. An indicator changes color depending on the pH of the solution analyzed. Because of this, they are also known as pH indicators. Universal indicator is very versatile as it can measure pH across the entire scale from 0 to 14.
Color range of pH.
It is not a single indicator, but rather a combination of various indicators.
Okay. pH papers වල තියෙන color range එක. Red, orange, yellow, they are acids. Green, neutral. Light blue, dark blue, purple, they are bases.
If you look at the color changes of a universal indicator according to the pH of a solution, you will find that it resembles a rainbow. If universal indicator solution turns deep red in a solution, it means that the solution is strongly acidic, with a pH of 1 to 2. If the universal indicator solution turns green, it means that the solution is neutral, with a pH of 7. If the universal indicator solution turns dark blue or purple, it means that the solution is strongly alkaline. Universal indicator paper works in exactly the same manner.
pH papers.
Litmus is another indicator commonly found absorbed onto paper as litmus paper. Blue litmus paper turns red under acidic conditions, pH less than 7. Red litmus paper turns blue under alkaline conditions, pH greater than 7. Phenolphthalein is an indicator commonly used to determine the endpoint of a strong acid, strong alkali, or weak acid, strong alkali titration. It goes from colorless to fuchsia pink at a pH of 8.2. Methyl orange is used to determine the endpoint of either a strong acid, strong alkali, or strong acid,
colors
weak
of methyl
alkali
orange, no?
titration. It is red at a pH lower than 3.1 and yellow at a pH higher than 4.4. In conclusion, indicators are substances that change color at a certain pH. The point at which an indicator changes color is known as its endpoint, which can be at any pH. Common indicators that you will encounter are universal indicator, litmus in the form of litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange.
Okay, so that's a good discussion, but it's cartoon-like, no? But better if you can see the real ones. ඇත්ත ඒවා තියෙනවා නම් වඩා හොඳයි බලන්න. So that's why we are moving on to a video that shows the real ones, okay? Yeah. First, we are going to see the color changes done by methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Okay, methyl orange වලයි phenolphthalein වලයි color changes බලමු. And then we can see pH papers and litmus. Okay, children, can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yeah. Here, there are two beakers of HCl. There are two beakers of sodium hydroxide. HCl කියන්නේ acid එකක්, sodium hydroxide කියන්නේ base එකක්. එයින් දෙක තියෙනවා. මොකද එකක් one for methyl orange and one for phenolphthalein. Okay, let's see.
Show you what the different indicators look like in acid and alkali. So starting off with our orange, and we have 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. I'm going to add in a few drops.
Okay, acid changes into red color with methyl orange. Base changes into
You can
yellow
see
color
that
with
orange in
methyl
acid is
orange.
red, and methyl orange in alkali is yellow.
Yeah, let's check
So
them with
that round, so we
phenolphthalein.
have a look at phenolphthalein. Again, we have 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide and our 0.1 molar hydrochloric
With
acid.
phenolphthalein, base
Adding
changes into
drops.
pink color. Acid has
So we can see
no
that
color
phenolphthalein
change.
in alkali is pink and phenolphthalein in acid is clear. So when we're looking for colour changes, you need to be going drop by drop. Just going a bit closer.
Okay,
you
acid
start
දෙකෙන්
to
චුට්ට
see
චුට්ට
that
අරගෙන දැන් අර pink colour වෙච්ච එකට දැම්මොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? ටික වෙලාවකින්
Now, when you're doing this as a
it will
titration,
become colorless.
remember you need to be swirling after every single drop is added. I'm just doing this as a rough guide to show you what happens. So hopefully just here you can start to see it's changing colour. Give it a bit of a swirl. You can see this little bit pink colour, swirl a bit more, and you can see that it's permanently changed colour. This is why swirling is really
Okay.
important. Okay, so the colour change for methyl orange is a lot harder because red and yellow are really quite similar.
We just needed to see the color change. Now we are going to see the color change given by pH papers and litmus papers. Okay, now we are going to see the litmus test. Litmus papers බලලිමු. Children, can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
We'll be doing is doing something called
Yes,
the litmus test. Now, to do the litmus test, you need litmus paper. And because it's a lockdown, I don't actually have any litmus paper at home. And I went to the chemist and they didn't have any either. So instead, I've made litmus paper strips. Now, you get red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, and I'll show you why you need both in a second. And we're going to stick to the three chemicals that we have been working with all along. Over here, we have bicarbonate of soda, which has been diluted in water. We have lemon juice, which has also been slightly diluted in water. And speaking of water, here is water. So when we test
Bicarbonate water. Okay, baking soda. Can you make a basic solution එකක්? And this is, I think, lime juice, acidic, and this is pure water, neutral substance. He's going to check each of them with these litmus strips. Litmus කඩදාසි වලින් check කරන්නයි යන්නේ.
these liquids, we need to use both the red and the blue litmus paper, as you can see over here. And the reason for that is the following. When you put blue litmus paper into a base and you pull it out,
In a base,
the blue litmus
is
paper
there a color
remains
change?
blue.
Blue litmus?
No, teacher.
No color change. But it will definitely turn red with acid. බලමු.
So I was thinking of it as the three B's: blue, base, blue. Does it make any sense? The blue remained blue, therefore it is a base. Hope that makes sense. When you put the red litmus paper in
A red one with base
and you pull it out, the red litmus paper turns
changes
blue as well.
into blue
Remember,
color.
blue base. And therefore we can tell that bicarbonate of soda is in fact a base. Moving on to lemon juice. If I take the red litmus paper and
Red
put it
litmus
into the
paper
lemon
into
juice,
acid,
which we know is an acid,
no color change.
we can see that the red litmus paper remains red. Therefore,
But
it is an
blue
acid.
litmus paper in acid,
However, if we put the blue
yeah,
litmus
it
paper in,
changes into red color.
and remember the blue remained blue in a base, this time the
Wow.
blue litmus paper goes red, which indicates that the lemon juice here is indeed an acid. But the fun part comes when you get to water. When you take red litmus paper and put it in water,
Yeah, water is a neutral substance, so there
It
would be
remains
no
red.
color change to any
and when you
type of
put blue
litmus
litmus
paper.
paper in water, it remains blue. So what does that mean? I would like you to think about that And you can let me know either in the comments below or in your science book. Happy experimenting!
Only one left. pH විතරයි බලන්න තියෙන්නේ නේද? Okay, let's watch it.
The pH indicator strips from Carolina Biological are compact and portable, making them easy to use with fast results and even the ability to be used outside of the lab. A wide
With neutral substances, it turns green.
pH results and even the ability to be used outside of the lab. A wide pH range makes for precise color matching for reliable results. The Hydrian strips are made from plastic, adding to their durability in any situation.
This is not what we wanted to see. අපිට ඕනේ acids bases neutral තුනටම නේද? It's an Hindi medium one.
Hello. In the previous video, we have learned how to use pH strip or pH paper. In this video, we are going to see how to use. So let's see. This is the ranges of this pH universal indicator.
It's English
pH
medium.
4 to 11. Okay. So let's see. We have to put 2 to 3 drops. Okay. In the solution.
No, there are no
We
pH
have the 3
papers.
solutions. Okay.
pH liquid එකක් තියෙන්නේ ඒකේ. No, this is not what I wanted.
आज के इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में हमने यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर को इस्तेमाल करना है और
Here.
यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर को इस्तेमाल करके पीएच को मालूम करना है। सबसे पहले यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर की स्ट्रिप ले लेनी है, इसको सॉल्यूशन के अंदर डाल देना है
Yeah.
जिसकी पीएच हम मालूम
With
करना है।
basic
जैसे सॉल्यूशन के अंदर
solutions,
डालोगे
it
इसका रंग
gives
तब्दील हो
a
जाएगा।
blue
इसके
color.
बाद यहाँ पे कुछ रेफरेंस रंग होते हैं, इसके साथ आपने इसको मैच करना है।
I think it was a soap solution. I think it's a Hindi medium one, so we have to suppose it should be an acid or something like that. Yeah, with acids it give a red, orange or a yellow color. And with a neutral substance, it gives a green color. Okay. So today you watched a lot of videos about natural indicators and uh, indicators in the laboratory, and also you learned about three acids used in laboratory. No, first one sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and what is the other one? Hydrochloric acid. Okay, and then you learned about two bases in the lab. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Okay, good.
Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide.
Yes. Okay. So today I'm not going to give you small book words. Okay. You have to, yes, good. Okay. You have to study them and come to the next class. Okay. I'm going to ask you questions. එක මං questions අහනවා. එහෙම
Sodium
නැත්නම්
hydroxide.
sorry. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to give you a little paper. එක චූටි paper එකක් දෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් questions අහනවා. So you have to get ready for those things. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, as homework, you have to complete the exercise of this lesson. Now the lesson is over. Lesson එක කතා කරලා ඉවරයි. ඔයාලා next week එනකොට මේ lesson එකේ exercise කරන් ඉන්න ඕනේ. You have to mark the homework. දැන් mark කරගන්න පුතා. Do the exercise of this lesson. Okay. Have you finished marking? Okay. So, you have to study well this lesson and get ready for the paper or discussion. There would be a questionnaire. ප්‍රශ්නාවලියක් මම අහනවා. You have to get ready and you have to do the homework, the exercise of this lesson. Okay. So now we are winding up the class. Goodbye and good night.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ginu Riputa, you can leave the class.
Okay, teacher. Good night, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Night. Kennedy, is there a question? Okay, if not, I'm going to wind up the class. Goodbye.